So we meet again. You guessed it, another honey cereal review. Today we have Honey Nut Chex, made with real honey, gluten-free. Look at that. Let's see. Ingredients: whole grain corn, cornmeal, sugar, cornstarch, honey. Right there. Right there. The other one, what was it? What was it called? Cornflakes. The cornflakes did not have any honey in the ingredients. Now, I am not a big Chex guy. It's not that I don't like them. I just don't buy them. They're just, I don't know. Oh look, they got all the other flavors here: blueberry, wheat, corn, cinnamon, honey, chocolate, rice, maple, peanut butter. Interesting. Huh. Anyway, the only time I really eat this cereal is when my mom makes that cereal snack stuff that has like the golden grams and all that other fun stuff in it. So I have had this cereal, but I don't eat it that often. I could tell these are going to be pretty good. Smells like cereal. Nothing crazy honey about it. They look like they're kind of coated almost the same way. Almost the same way that Honey Nut Cheerios are. And Honey Nut Cheerios are pretty good. Alright. We got our milk. This is a brand new carton. Ooh, that was so satisfying. Alright. Here we go. Let's see. Can you see that in there? First bite. Tastes like Chex. Not gonna lie, does not taste like honey. It just tastes like sweetened Chex. I can barely. If you told me there was honey in this, I would say, oh, that's cool. Because I can't even taste it. Come on, guys, what's wrong? General Mills, step it up, huh? How come all your honey cereal doesn't taste like honey? There's not much flavor going on there at all. Maybe that's why I don't like the cereal. It's just kind of bland. I don't know. See if we can find one that looks like it's really coated with whatever they put on it. There we go. There's a little bit there, but it's really faint. $10 grams of sugar for 1 cup, serving size. See, they have whole grain corn, cornmeal, sugar, cornstarch, honey. They should switch the sugar and honey so that there's more honey than there is sugar. Because the honey is going to be what sweetens it anyways, right? Why do you need extra sugar for it? So, I don't know. A little disappointed. Little disappointed. Yep. Not like Honey Nut Cheerios at all. It's good. I mean, it tastes like a sweetened cereal. But it's not like I'm eating a honey-flavored cereal. Well, there you go. General Mills Honey Nut Chex. Just okay. Have a good one.